Matalom guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Eco Rest House niya. Ato ning hinluan guys kay dugay-dugay na kung wa kare tungod sa busy sa trabaho niya. Kuan. Okay. Ato ning hinluan guys para malimpyo guys ba. Para mas kuan siya guys aron uli na to ba sa atong rest house diri sa lungsod sa Matalom. Hapsay niya guys ba. So guys,
there's nowhere we need to be, yeah. I'ma get to know you better. Gotta hold me here forever. Nobody on these streets. If you told me that the world's ended, ain't no other way that I spend it. Got all this time in my hands, but it's focused on our plans. I can stay here forever. So lock the door and don't let the key fight this no more. It's just you and me, and there's nothing I can do. I'm stuck with you, stuck with you, stuck with you. So go ahead and drive me insane. Baby, run your mouth. I still wanna trade you. Stuck with you, stuck with you, stuck with you. I'm stuck with you, stuck with you, stuck with you. Whoa, baby, gon' take all my time. Don't wanna make me lose my mind. We got all that we need here tonight. I can't fight this no more. And there's nothing I'd rather do. I'm stuck with you, stuck with you, stuck with you.